Hello, aspiring florists and paper artists. Welcome again to Professor Hoot's Crafty Corner. Professor Hoot has a graceful and elegant project for Lily the Ladybug. Professor Hoot chirped Lily the Ladybug, her spots gleaming. What beautiful flower are we folding today? Professor Hoot smiled. Today, Lily the Ladybug, we shall create a classic paper lily, known for its stately beauty. A flower with lovely layered petals, all from a single square of paper. Lily the Ladybug clapped her tiny front legs. A lily. Like the ones by the pond, Professor Hoot? They smell so sweet. This one will have the beauty of form, Lily the Ladybug, a true paper marvel. You'll need a square piece of paper. White is traditional for lilies, but yellow or pink would also be lovely. Professor Hoot chose a pristine white square. As pure as freshly fallen snow, Lily the Ladybug. Begin, Lily the Ladybug, by folding your square in half diagonally to make a triangle. Crease well and open. Then fold it in half diagonally the other way. Crease well and open. You have an X dot. Turn your paper over. Fold it in half horizontally, crease and open. Fold it in half vertically, crease and open. Now, bring the side points of your horizontal crease inwards, collapsing the paper into our familiar preliminary base or water bomb base, a layered triangle. Lily the Ladybug quickly formed her base. This base is very useful, Professor Hoot. Indeed it is, Lily the Ladybug. Now, with the open flaps of the triangle pointing towards you, take the top layer's right corner and fold it to the center vertical line, making one side of a kite shape. Then fold the top layer's left corner to the center line, completing the kite shape on that top flap. Lily the Ladybug made her kite shape neatly. Excellent. Now, this is where the lily starts to differ, Lily the Ladybug. See the two new flaps you just created for the kite? We are not going to squash fold them this time. Instead, take the entire top kite-shaped flap and fold its top point downwards, along the horizontal line formed by the top edges of those side flaps you just folded in. It's like folding the top of the kite down to where its widest part is. Crease this very firmly, Lily the Ladybug. Lily the Ladybug made the fold. It makes a little triangle on top. Exactly. Now, unfold that last fold you just made. It leaves an important horizontal crease. Next, take the bottom point of that kite flap, the very bottom point of your model on this side. Fold this bottom point upwards to meet the horizontal crease you just made. Crease this firmly too, Lily the Ladybug. Good. Now, unfold that fold as well. You now have two parallel horizontal crease lines across your kite shape. This is preparing our petals, Lily the Ladybug. Now, carefully lift the very bottom point of that kite flap again. This time, you are going to perform a petal fold. Open up the kite flap slightly. Using the existing creases, pull the bottom point upwards and inwards, all the way up to the top point of the entire model. As you do this, the sides of the kite will fold inwards along their creases, forming a long, pointed diamond shape. This is one petal of our lily. Lily the Ladybug watched Professor Hoot's demonstration closely and then carefully formed her petal fold. Oh, it's long and graceful. Precisely, Lily the Ladybug. Now, you need to repeat this process. Turn your model to the next plain flap. There are 4 flaps in total on the preliminary base. For each flap, first make the kite shape by folding the outer corners to the center. Then make the 2 guiding horizontal creases. Then perform the petal fold, bringing the bottom point all the way up to the top. You will do this 4 times in total, creating 4 long, pointed petals. Lily the Ladybug worked patiently, flap by flap, creating her 4 elegant petals. Wonderful, Lily the Ladybug. All 4 petals are formed. Your model should look like a tall, closed bud. Now for the final touch, to make our lily bloom, Lily the Ladybug. Hold the base of your lily gently. Take 1 petal, and carefully curl its pointed tip outwards and downwards. You can use your finger or a small twig to help shape the curl. Do this for all 4 petals, curling them gently to open up your flower. Be gentle, as paper can tear if pulled too hard. Lily the Ladybug carefully curled each white petal. As she did, the tall bud opened up, revealing a beautiful, classic lily shape with 4 distinct, arching petals. Professor Hoot, it's a perfect paper lily, she exclaimed, her voice full of awe. It looks so real. Professor Hoot smiled. You have folded a truly elegant flower, Lily the Ladybug. A symbol of purity and grace, now captured in paper. I shall place it by the window where the sunbeams can dance on its petals, said Lily the Ladybug. A lovely spot for a lovely creation, Lily the Ladybug. And so, dedicated crafters, you have learned to fold the beautiful paper lily. A wonderful decoration or a thoughtful, handmade gift. What color will your lily be? Will you make a whole bouquet? Remember, patience in folding brings beautiful results. Thank you for joining Professor Hoot's Crafty Corner for this lesson in floral elegance. If your lily bloomed beautifully, please give this video a like. And subscribe for more exquisite paper crafts and botanical builds. Happy folding, everyone, and may your paper gardens flourish. Until next time, keep crafting with grace and precision.